Hello, my name is Ash, a counselor in training. This is my Relatable study podcast for individuals who need help studying for their NCE, CPCE, and other related counseling exams. I'm going to go through many questions from multiple resources and make the answers relatable to both you and me. So get your listening ears on and let's get studying. What are minority influence in groups? Minority influence in groups is the process by which a smaller subgroup will affect the beliefs or behaviors of the majority. For example, in my internship when I did groups, there was a small subgroup of clients who would antagonize each other, and then they would start to antagonize the other clients, which led to a breakout of inappropriate behaviors within the group. So the two minority clients influenced the group entirely. Blank is a disorder of thought, unlike blank, which is primarily a mood disorder. A. Disorder of mood. B. Conduct disorder, depression. C. Bipolar disorder, schizophrenia. D. Schizophrenia, bipolar disorder. The answer is D. Schizophrenia is a disorder of thought, unlike bipolar disorder, which is primarily a mood disorder. I would recommend referring to the DSM-5 TR to review and refresh your memory of schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. What is minority stress? Minority stress is the chronic stress faced by individuals from stigmatized groups that is due to prejudice and discrimination. It also describes the high level of stress faced by members of a stigmatized minority, such as sexual and gender minorities, such as asexuals and transgender individuals. Which psychomotor activity is commonly associated with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder? A. Fidgeting. B. Pacing. C. Eye twitching. D. Posturing. The answer is A. Fidgeting is commonly associated with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. I've worked with many clients with ADHD and they love to fidget. So having fidget toys within your office or clinical setting for these individuals to fidget with definitely helps them focus more on what they are working on within session. What are mirror neurons? Mirror neurons are brain cells that activate both when performing and observing an action and is linked to empathy. For example, when an individual is watching a very sad movie and a character is crying, the individual may start crying because they are observing an action, and then it activates their brain cells into performing that action as well, which is crying. That is an example of mirror neurons. That is all 5 questions for this episode. Thank you for listening. Keep calm and study on.